All right, good morning guys. So today we're gonna do well, I'll show you two different knots. I'm not exactly familiar with the one knot. It's just something that I was taught when I was a kid, and that's just what I did. I don't know the actual specific name. I would think it's the improved clinch, but I forget. Anyways, I can get the correct name. But we'll do the polymer knot first. This is the one that I use all the time. And it's probably one of the strongest ones you can use. So this is just 12-pound fluoro. So you loop it over once. You make that loop. Make it small enough so it can fit into your swivel. And then you're just going to do an overhand knot. So you'll end with two pieces of line through their eyelet. Just do a simple overhand knot. So it'll look like that. Then you're going to take your swivel and you're going to put it through the loop that you made previously. And you're going to bring that loop up above the rest of the line, just like that. And then what I'll do here is I'll actually moisten the knot. And then as you pull it down, it's not going to burn the line. And then there's your polymer. And you can trim that as close as you want. It's not going to hurt nothing. Of course, it's easier with like nail clippers, but scissors do a pretty good job. So there's your polymer. Nice, simple, and easy. And you can type pretty quick. Now, the other knot that I do use, like I said, I think it's the improved clinch, but I'm not 100% sure. Get all that line off of there. This is just something that my father taught me when I was just a young kid, and it's always worked, so that's what we use. So you're going to go through your swivel, and I usually leave my finger right here. And then you just wrap it around 4 or 6 times. And so there's actually 2 ways you can do it. You can go through the loop here on your swivel, or you can go through the loop that you've made in the line, and you end up with the same knot. So then you'll end up with this. And then I'll pull it about that far, and then I'll moisten that knot. And then I hold it here against the swivel, just so you get some grip, and then you just pull it in tight. And if it doesn't, say you're using like a thicker line, say a 30-pound mono or a 30-pound fluoro, you may have to guide and help that knot, but that's what you'll end up with. And same thing, you can trim that as far down as you want. And that won't pull apart. It does work good. I have had more breaks with this knot versus the polymer, where say the knot's pulled through after you catch a fish or whatever, but it does work well. So that's the improved clinch, I believe, and then the other one's the polymer.